Hi guys, welcome back to Muneeb AK channel. So today I'm gonna show you that how to remove the squeaky noise of your doors. You see that? You hear that? If you listen closely, when I open and close the door, it makes a squeaky noise. See? So for that I've got this WD-40. I think you can use any kind of machine oil to it. Maybe here I'll put some here, and maybe I'll put some here. Any of these, they make noise, so yeah, I'm gonna put them here. I've tried this WD-40 on the doors, on the home doors, not the car doors, but I'm gonna try on the car door now. So let's see if this voice goes with this WD-40. So yeah, let's do it. See, no noise. Ta-da! Guys, you can do this experiment with any of your door, your house door, your car door. Take the WD-40, or you can take any other machine oil, as I said earlier, and it will completely remove the sound, squeaky noise. So yeah, if you like this video, please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll have more videos like this.